I got sent home from work, but it wasn't on a bad reason. It's because it's actually overstaffed and I wasn't, called off. But it's all good. So now I'm here at, well, I don't know if you can tell, getting a car wash. I know, look at the weather, it might be raining tomorrow, but we've needed one. So, yeah, literally we've needed one. It's been a while. So, this day, Bubba, we call our car Bubba, but yeah, she needs a car wash.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4, and today I'm going to be making some chicken sopas for the group later, because we're gonna meet up at the church and build some furniture from Ikea. So I'm about to cook right now. Frances and the baby's upstairs. I think she's doing okay. Oh, I kind of hear her crying, but that's okay. So I'm gonna cook and then we're gonna go to the church. So yeah.
Yo, what's up again? The night is still young, and well, this girl's finally taking a little nap. She's been up for quite a while since earlier. She could have gotten a nap like around maybe about 2 o'clock. Woke up and she hasn't slept till right now, so she'll hopefully sleep good. And then right now Honey's downstairs preparing some sopas, because tonight we got a little event going on. Well, I guess you could say event, but yeah, we're gonna be meeting up at the church because we gotta do some cleanup and a little surprise, like a little Christmas gift, for the youth and young adults in our church. So yeah, I hope you're gonna like it. We'll see you pretty soon.
Hi guys. So we're gonna put this together. Midnight, and yeah, we finished up with the furniture pretty quick, I'd say. So it was like 3 couches, 2 coffee tables, and 4 lamps. So it was really good. It was fun. Like what? We started past 8, maybe we ate first, and then I didn't really do anything because I was taking care of the baby, but and by the way, she's asleep already. Say goodnight, everybody. So yeah, that's why the lights are coming on.